Mini rice cooker, the compact culinary companion perfect for solo meals or small servings. This sleek appliance boasts a 2-cup capacity. There are many products available to choose rice cookers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rice cookers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Aroma Rice Cooker. Introducing the Aroma Housewares Aroma 6-Cup 1-Touch Rice Cooker, ARC 363NG, the ultimate solution for hassle-free home cooking. Crafted to perfection, this compact yet powerful rice cooker is designed to cater to your culinary needs effortlessly. With a capacity of 1.5 quarts, it flawlessly prepares 2 to 6 cups of any rice variety, ensuring restaurant-quality results every time. Featuring a simple one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function, this cooker eliminates the need for constant monitoring, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Its versatility extends beyond rice, making it ideal for preparing soups, chili, jambalaya, and more. The full-view tempered glass lid lets you keep an eye on your cooking progress, while the non-stick removable inner pot ensures easy cleanup. Compact and convenient, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Whether you're a busy parent, a multitasking professional, or an avid reader, the Aroma Rice Cooker streamlines mealtime, giving you more time to enjoy with your loved ones. Upgrade your cooking experience with the ARC 363NG, and savor the convenience of home-cooked meals without the hassle. Number 2. Zajirashi Rice Cooker. Introducing the Zajirashi NHS 063-Cup Rice Cooker, a reliable kitchen companion for perfectly steamed rice every time. Boasting a sleek white design, this electric cooker is compact yet powerful, with a capacity of 0.57 quarts. Its dimensions of 7.5 inches in diameter and 7.5 inches in height make it ideal for smaller kitchens or individuals. Featuring an intuitive single-switch control, this cooker simplifies the rice-making process. The see-through glass lid allows you to monitor your rice as it cooks, while the Stay Cool knob ensures safe handling. Transporting your freshly cooked rice is a breeze, thanks to the Stay Cool handles. Inside, you'll find a durable non-stick inner cooking pan that guarantees easy cleaning. The package includes a plastic measuring cup specifically designed for Zajirashi rice cookers, ensuring precise measurements for perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking white or brown rice, this cooker delivers fluffy, delicious rice with minimal effort. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Zajirashi Rice Cooker today. Number 3. Aroma Housewares 4-Cup Rice Cooker. Introducing the Aroma Housewares 4-Cup Rice Cooker in captivating blue, a versatile kitchen companion perfect for crafting delicious meals with minimal effort. This compact cooker, measuring 7 inches in diameter, 9 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, complements your countertop or fits neatly inside cabinets. Its 1-quart capacity effortlessly prepares 2 to 4 cups of various rice types, ensuring perfect results every time. With its one-touch operation and automatic warm mode, meal preparation becomes a breeze. From rice to soups, stews, chili, and more, this cooker handles a variety of dishes with ease. The non-stick removable inner pot guarantees stress-free cooking and easy cleanup, while the full-view tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. Included accessories like the rice measuring cup and serving spatula enhance convenience, while the dishwasher-safe design simplifies maintenance. Elevate your culinary experience with the Aroma Housewares 4-Cup Rice Cooker, a dependable ally for everyday cooking adventures. Number 4. Dash Mini Rice Cooker. Introducing the Dash Mini Rice Cooker, a compact culinary companion perfect for solo meals or small servings. This sleek appliance boasts a 2-cup capacity and dimensions of 6.5 inches in diameter, 8.5 inches in width, and 6.3 inches in height, making it ideal for tight spaces like dorm rooms or cozy kitchens. Powered by a 200-watt corded electric source, this mini cooker features a removable non-stick pot, ensuring easy cleaning by hand wash. With its quick and easy operation, simply add water and your choice of grains or vegetables. Press the cook button and let the cooker do the rest. In less than 20 minutes, enjoy perfectly steamed meals or sides, thanks to its updated keep warm function that prevents overheating or overcooking. The package includes essential accessories like a mixing paddle, measuring cup, and a recipe book, offering endless possibilities beyond rice, from soups and stews to grains and oatmeal. Make cooking a breeze with the Dash Mini Rice Cooker, a must-have for any kitchen. Number 5. Zajirashi NS Rice Cooker and Warmer 1.0-liter. Experience the ultimate convenience in rice cooking with the Zajirashi NS RPC 10FJ Rice Cooker and Warmer. Boasting a 1.0-liter capacity, this sleek appliance is your kitchen's indispensable ally for perfectly cooked rice every time. Its one-touch operation simplifies the cooking process, while the automatic keep warm function ensures your rice stays at an optimal temperature until serving. Crafted with a triple heater system, this cooker evenly distributes heat from the bottom, side, and lid, guaranteeing deliciously fluffy rice with each batch. The detachable inner lid and non-stick coated pan make cleaning a breeze, while the Loctite lid with the push-button release ensures safety and convenience. With its tulip color and compact design, it adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Included accessories like a measuring cup, spatula, and spatula holder enhance your cooking experience. Whether you're cooking for a small family or a gathering of friends, the Zhajirushi NSRP C10FJ rice cooker and warmer is your go-to appliance for delectable rice dishes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more